All right, here is your Bitcoin market update for March 18th. Let's keep this one very simple. What you are seeing on screen right now is 3 VWAP pulls. We have one anchored from here, we have one anchored from the top, and we have a local one anchored from this bottom. So with Confluence, you can see from the top pull, we have bottom VWAP coming in. We have bottom VWAP coming in, and median to top. So right now, this is a very neutral zone from 68,555 down to this 50% fib pull at 66,600. This is the zone to keep. A deviation lower, we would probably most likely test 382 and this bottom VWAP and the 236. So I want you to notice the confluence of bottom VWAP, weekly level, daily level, and the 236. And adversely, if Bitcoin was to rise up, we have the 6.6 Fibonacci level to defeat that aligns with the value area high of this old trading range right here. So for Bitcoin to move up, we first need to break this level, hold, and then we have confluence of top VWAP, and our 786 plus value area low of this top out previous range. And of course, gaining acceptance into this value area low, we could test new highs. So with that being said, we have these two levels to either defeat to go up or to give up for more downside. Those are marked out on the chart here, and I'll post this in group. All right, so ETH versus Bitcoin is just trading very poorly. I see us revisiting the 786. So currently ETH is down negative 2.3%. So let's look for a bounce here. 786 around the 5 cent mark. And let's see if we can bounce. And at that point, that means our alts bounce as well. Looking at ETH on our channel chart, you can see how we did test the point of control perfectly. And we just did have that rise up currently. Now, for some more downside, we do have value area low. We have our channel. And this gold line is also the 618 Fibonacci level. So we have a lot of support right there. I also just turned on the moving averages, and you can just see the confluence of how ETH did come down, and it was confluent with the 200 on the 4-hour time frame. We move up, and what was support is now resistance, and you can see how price is just getting squeezed down. So unfortunately, ETH, I suspect, is going to grovel through here and push down if it cannot break this 100 to the upside. If we do the same thing on the daily, you can see how we're well below our 20, and our 50 is coming in down at 32.25. So that tells me if this white box that I drew out gets broken, we will be touching this at some point, which we could just sweep these range lows and come down for a quick move back up.